Sri Rupa Goswami. In 1517, Sri Rupa Goswami and Sri Sanatan Goswami, his elder brother, came to Vrindavan to fulfill 4 orders of Lord Chaitanya's: to uncover Sri Krishna's lost pastime places, install deities and start puja, write Bhakti Shastras, propagate the rules of Bhakti Yoga. Wearing only kaupin and kantha, Sri Rupa Goswami lived a mendicant's life, absorbed in hearing, chanting, writing about Radha Govinda's sweet loving pastimes in Sri Vrindavan Dham. Sri Rupa Goswami wrote practical yet profound transcendental books. He established Sri Sri Radha Govindaji, the beloved deities of the entire Gaudiya Sampradaya. Through extensive Vedic research, Sri Rupa Goswami proved that Sri Chaitanya's teachings present the highest philosophy and the perfection of religion. Gaudiya Vaishnavas are known as Rupanugas, followers of Sri Rupa Goswami. Every Raganuga devotee aspires to become a servant of the lotus feet of Sri Rupa Goswami. Sri Narottam Das Thakur sings, Sri Rupa Manjari Pada, Sei Mora Sampada, Sei Mora Bhajana Pujana. The feet of Sri Rupa Manjari are my only wealth. They are the only object of my service and worship. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu commissioned Sri Rupa Goswami to write on the science of Rasa Tattva. In Chaitanya Chandrodaya, Sri Kavi Karnapurna says that Sri Rupa Goswami is the form of true love and devotion. Sri Chaitanya empowered him to explain his own love and devotion and to propagate it to the world. Lord Chaitanya manifested his own pastimes through Sri Rupa Goswami. He received the title Bhakti Rasacharya for his devotional classics Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu, Ujjwala Nilamani, Lalit Madhav and others. Bhakti Rasamrit Sindhu gives the essence of all Vedic scriptures regarding the kingdom of Bhakti. In great detail, it explains how to advance in Krishna consciousness and attain Prema Bhakti, pure unalloyed love for Radha Govinda in Sri Vrindavan. To understand the loving affairs of Radha and Krishna, says Narottam Das Thakur, you must serve the lotus feet of Sri Rupa Goswami with intense eagerness. Serving means hearing, chanting, and strictly following the teachings of Sri Rupa Goswami. Serving also means praying to, crying out to, meditating upon, and dedicating your entire life to the lotus feet of Sri Rupa Goswami. Sadhana Dipika states that those on the path of devotional service must always associate with Sri Rupa Goswami's doctrines on Prema Bhakti. By the grace of Sri Jiva Goswami, one can understand the transcendental truths of Rupa Goswami's teachings. He served Srimati Radharani as Rupa Manjari in Nitya Vrindavan Leela. Thank you. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hare Krishna.